Hello students, welcome to the maths class. Today we start next lesson of the class first. Let's start chapter number 2, measurement. In this chapter we discuss compare length, measure length using their body part, compare the weight of object, compare and measure the capacities. So let's start measurement. So first recall. Tick the one that is. So here look at the first picture. Here are the two trees. Coconut trees are here. One is tall and one is short. So we have to tick on a tall. So tall tree is this. The top of this tree is upper than the second tree. So therefore this tree is the tall tree. So tick it. Next, short. So here this is the short in length. So यहाँ पे ये छोटा दिख रहा है, ये बड़ा दिख रहा है. So this is the short. Next, long. So there are the two trains here. Which is the long and which is the short? So this train has only one box and this train has the three box. So this is the long train. So tick it. Next, tick the longest pencil and put the cross on the shortest pencil. So here we take on a longest and cross on the shortest. So here three pencils. This look long. So this is the longest. So tick on it. And this is the short. So cross on it. Next is length. Put the tick on the pencil that is shorter than arrow. यहाँ पे एक arrow दिया गया है. So we have to tick those pencil who are shorter than this arrow. So draw the straight line. Draw the straight line from this tip of arrow. So here. Okay. So now we easily can say that which pencil is shorter than the arrow. So here this pencil is equal to the arrow and this pencil is shorter than the arrow. So here हम टिक नहीं करेंगे, यहाँ पर भी हम टिक नहीं करेंगे. So we tick it. This is the shorter than this arrow. Draw an arrow longer than the pencil. एक आपको एरो ड्रॉ करना है जो कि इस पेंसिल से लॉन्गर होना चाहिए. सो यूज योर रोलर, देन प्लेस योर रोलर हियर एंड ड्रॉ द एरो दैट इज लॉन्गर देन योर पेंसिल हियर. सो इन दिस वे वी ड्रॉ द एरो लॉन्गर देन द पेंसिल. Draw an arrow that shorter than the pen. So take your ruler, place above the pen and draw the arrow that is shorter than this pen. So draw like this. Next, draw an arrow of the same size as the scale. So आपको इस स्केल के सेम साइज वाला एरो ड्रॉ करना है. So place your scale in front of the scale and draw the arrow equal size of this scale. So this way we draw the arrow equal to the size of the scale. So measuring length. You can use this part of your body to measure the thing around you. सो आप आपके बॉडी के ये पार्ट यूज कर सकते हो लेंथ को मेजर करने के लिए. सो हैंड स्पैन, ओके, इस वे से आप इससे मेजर कर सकते हो. देन अ डिजिट 1 2 3 like this, a palm, a cubit, a footprint, a pace. ओके, ये सारी चीजें आप यूज कर सकते हो लेंथ मेजर करने के लिए. Arun is using his cubit to measure the length of the table. Then Saira is using handspan to measure the length of the laptop. Then Mohan is using footprint to measure the length of room. So in this way we use our body part to measure the length. Next is weight. My school bag is heavy. It is difficult to carry. So जो स्कूल बैग होता है वो एक तो भारी हो सकता है या हल्का. सो वी वेट द थिंग्स एज अ हेवी और लाइट. माई स्कूल बैग इज लाइट. इट इज इजी टू कैरी. मीन्स चीजें एक तो हेवी हो सकती है अदरवाइज लाइट हो सकती है. सो वेट सेज दैट द थिंग्स आर हेवी और light. Put a tick on the heavier object and pick up the actual object to help you decide. ओके, सो यहाँ पे कुछ थिंग्स दी गई है. सो वहाँ पे आपको हेवियर चीजें जो है उस पर टिक करना है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. हियर सीजर एंड फीदर. सो सीजर इज हेवी देन फीदर. देन comb and book. So book is heavier than comb. Then bat and ball. So bat is heavier than ball. Here pencil and compass box. So compass box is heavier than pencil. So 1 mango and 4 mango. When we compare 1 mango and 4 mangoes are heavier than 1 mango. So in this way we compare the weight of the different things. So here capacity. Capacity means what? Capacity means कि किस कंटेनर में हम कितना ज्यादा जो भी चीज है वो भर सकते हैं. ओके, पुट अ टिक ऑन द कंटेनर दैट होल्ड मोर. सो हियर जग एंड ग्लास. तो जग कंटेन मोर, hold more. Bottle and can. So can contain more. Then cup and spoon. So in this way we measure the capacity of the different container. Look at this bowl. It hold 5 cups of water. ये बाउल जो है उसमें हम 5 cups of water fill कर सकते हैं. It take a 5 cups of water to fill the bowl. This means that capacity of bowl is 5 cups. तो इसकी कैपेसिटी क्या है? कितना वाटर होल्ड कर सकता है? इस 5 कप के इक्वल जो वाटर है ये होल्ड कर सकता है. दैट्स वाई इसकी कैपेसिटी कितनी है? 5 कप्स की. सो कैपेसिटी इज हाउ मच अ कंटेनर होल्ड. तो कैपेसिटी का मतलब होता है कि कंटेनर कितनी ज्यादा क्वांटिटी जो है वो होल्ड कर सकता है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द कैपेसिटी. सो विथ दिस topic our lesson is over here. Thank you.